Hello everyone! In this video, we'll guide you on how to transfer Google Photos to another account. Let's dive right in. The easiest way to transfer photos is by using Google Photos Partner Sharing feature. Here's how you do it. Open your web browser and go to photos.google.com. On the main page of Google Photos, find the photo you want to transfer and select it, or select all photos if you want to transfer multiple. Click on the Share icon in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, search for the Google account you want to share with by entering its email address and then select it. Click on the Send button to share the photos. If you don't have the recipient's email address, you can create a shareable link instead. Click the Create Link button in the pop-up menu. Click the Create Link again. Finally, click on the Copy button to copy the link. Now you can share this link with the other person via WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other messaging platform. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.